So Jamaican football fans were caught napping, caught up in the bubble of the World Cup euphoria, heading into the Olympic qualifier against Canada. The fact that we got a result against Brazil, an even bigger result against France, we went to the second round and narrowly missed out on a quarterfinal place, coupled with the fact that for one reason or another, the Canadians got knocked out at the first round of the World Cup. We completely lost sight of the fact that Canada is the number 10 ranked team in the world. Jamaica is ranked at number 37, all of 27 places below the Canadians. The Canadians are the defending Olympic champions. We have never beaten Canada in women's football. So to think we were going to steamroll the Canadians was a big mistake. And maybe it's a good reality check for us to realize that although we've made some strides, we are still baby girls in women's football. And if we ramp with teams like Canada and USA right here in CONCACAF, we can still get 5 and 6 love easily. Yes, even as we prepare for the game in Canada, we just have to admit, say them bust we bubble.